Today I teach you learning English. Learning English can be an exciting and rewarding journey. Here are some steps you can take to improve your English skills. Step number 1. Set clear goals. Determine why you want to learn English and what you hope to achieve. Having specific goals will help you stay motivated and focused. Step number 2. Start with the basics. Begin by learning the fundamental aspects of English, such as the alphabet, pronunciation, and basic grammar rules. Familiarize yourself with common words and phrases. Step number 3. Build vocabulary. Expand your vocabulary by learning new words and phrases every day. You can use flashcards, vocabulary apps, or online resources to practice and memorize words. Step number 4. Practice speaking. Speaking is a crucial aspect of language learning. Find opportunities to speak English, even if it's with friends, language exchange partners, or through online platforms. Practice pronouncing words correctly and work on your fluency. Step number 5. Listen actively. Improve your listening skills by engaging with English audio materials such as podcasts, movies, songs, or TV shows. Try to understand the context, pick up new words, and pay attention to pronunciation and intonation. Step number 6. Read extensively. Read a variety of English texts, such as books, newspapers, blogs, or articles. Start with simpler materials and gradually challenge yourself with more complex texts. Look up unfamiliar words and phrases to expand your vocabulary. Step number 7. Write regularly. Practice your writing skills by journaling, writing short stories, or participating in online forums. Ask for feedback from native English speakers or language tutors to improve your writing style and grammar. Step number 8. Practice regularly. Consistency is key when learning a language. Dedicate regular time to practice English every day, even if it's just for a few minutes. Practice all language skills, listening, speaking, reading, and writing, to maintain a well-rounded approach. Remember, learning a language takes time and effort. Be patient with yourself, celebrate small victories, and stay committed to your learning journey. Give the video a thumbs up if you like it and thought it was funny enough, and share your thoughts in the comment box below. You can also propose a topic for us to tackle, and we'll do it for you. Thank you for watching.